Now come to the financial literacy. What does it mean? It means the ability to use knowledge and skills to manage financial resources. What are financial resources? The income you earn is your financial resource. The assets which you have is your financial resource. And how will you use it effectively so that your financial well-being is ensured for your entire life, right? That is called financial literacy. And if you are lacking into it, then what can be you will be having a problem in making the financial decisions, like where you should open the bank account, what you should do, where you should save your money. You will not understand all these things if you are not aware of financial literacy. So let us now talk about the basic financial concepts today. Few things I would be discussing with you all. Are you ready to learn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 5 terms we need to understand. These are what? Earn, spend, save and investment, borrow, and the last one is protect. See, if we understand these 5 terms, we would be able to understand that what financial literacy is. The first one is earning. So before we start spending, saving or investing, it is necessary that we should earn that how much income is yours. है ना, कितना रुपया जब पढ़ लिख करके काम करने लग जाओगे तो you will earn something. So you should know that how much is your net income and what is your gross income. What is the difference between the gross income and net income?
Net income which we get from our which we get salary, and gross I don't know, sir.
Okay, I will tell you. Wait. Find that what is income. We'll say that the money received, especially on a regular basis for work, or you are earning something from business. That is called income. Correct? Or you are providing some services and then earning, then it is called as income. जैसे डॉक्टर्स के लिए इनकम क्या है?
Salary.
वो लेते हैं.
Salary. So the work.
Who's working on in an organization, तो उसके लिए salary is income, right? Someone is doing a business, then whatever he is getting as a profit is his income. See, when you are working as a salaried person in an organization, so you get some benefits. For example, you have been given a house to live there, to stay there. So if this company has not given this house to you, it means you have to take it on a rent or you will buy it. So that money is being saved, isn't it? So it is not a benefit from the company which you are getting. It's a benefit, no? That you are getting from the company. So if they are giving you a flat to stay there, to live there, okay. So everything which you get in return to serve there, when you are doing a job and you are getting whatever, everything included is called as gross income. तो सब कुछ तो आपको पैसे में नहीं देते, कुछ आपके अकाउंट में आते हैं, कुछ पैसे आपके सैलरी में से काट लिए जाते हैं एम्प्लॉयर द्वारा, जैसे पीएफ में जमा
For sir, income tax.
है ना, या आपका अगर इनकम टैक्स स्लैब में आता है तो टैक्स भी काट सकते हैं. तो जो आपको मिलता है वो आपका नेट इनकम है और जो टोटल बेनिफिट्स है वो आपकी ग्रॉस इनकम. इट इज क्लियर? देन नीड टू हैव सम हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस या कुछ रिटायरमेंट प्लान के लिए आपको बेनिफिट मिल सकता है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से. दैट आल्सो विल बी द पार्ट ऑफ द gross income. So once you need to determine that how much is your monthly income. If you are a salaried person, it is easy. But if you are a businessman, your income is not fixed, then it is little difficult. But then also you can calculate it. So the first thing which you need to ensure that how much you will be able to earn. पहला तो ये देखो तुम्हारा इनकम कितना होना चाहिए या कितना है, तभी आप ठीक से ऐसे इसको स्पेंड कर पाओगे. Now, when we become old, then also you will have lot of money to spend like this. The good photo.
They're very nice, very interesting.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, very.
How to spend. This is very important to make your own budget. No, an amount of money that is spent on something. Like you are buying foods, so you are spending the money. You are buying clothes, you are spending money. You are buying pen, bags. This is all what? Spending money. Paying rent or paying the school fee is also an expense for you. You should have some financial goal that what you want to achieve in your life, and there is a very successful mantra you can say, or sutra you can say, a formula you can say, is 50-30-20 budgeting rule. What is it? We will understand it in the next slide. 50% of income for important and necessary expenses. Suppose you are earning 10,000 rupees, so 5,000 you should spend for important and necessary expense. Of what are important and necessary? Like food.
Ma'am, sir,
Important,
food.
necessary. Clothes necessary as well as important also. Yes or no? But there are some expenses which you do is important but not necessary. Can you tell me any example which is important but
Sir,
not
new
necessary?
phone. Having one
Yes,
phone but new phone.
correct, correct. So it is important to have a new phone, but it is not necessary.
Sir, buying things unnecessarily.
You already have a shoe, but you want to buy another shoe. It's important for you, but it is not necessary. So,
Sir, we have a
clothes.
pencil box, but we want another.
Okay, okay, I understood your example. 30% of your income should be spent for important but not necessary things. 50% for important and necessary, 30% for important but not necessary. And then 20% of your income you must save. Is very important. 20% आपको जरूर 10,000 रुपया अगर कमा रहे हैं तो 2,000 रुपया सेव करें. 1,00,000 रुपया अगर कमा रहे हैं तो 20,000 रुपया सेव करें. राइट? कहाँ सेव करें? दिस वी विल अंडरस्टैंड लेटर ऑन. Where to invest? I will talk about that later on. I will complete this into next class.
Bye, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You all enjoyed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
we all
yes, sir.
enjoy.
Yes.
Bye,
Thank
sir.
you.
Have a nice
Bye-bye.
day.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Yes, sir, we enjoyed very much. Bye, sir. Have a nice day.
That what is expense? Expense is the amount of money which you spend. Then we talked about this 50-30-20 budgeting rule. You remember it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we will be talking about that saving and investment. So before we talk more about it, let me first ask you that what is saving? So saving in a mathematical formula way, if we have to understand in a simple way, we can say income minus expenditure is equal to your saving. 10,000 रुपया आपने कमाया, 8,000 खर्च कर दिया, तो 2,000 रुपया आपके क्या है? सेविंग्स है. So an amount of something that you do not use or you not spending, that is called savings. Now, why we should save, and what are the reasons for which we should save? So,
Sir, for the emergency, we should
For the
save
future
some money
use.
for emergency.
very true, very true. But let me show you this. First one is saving for an emergency fund. You must have seen in this pandemic, there have been situations so worse. People are losing their job, they are not having that much income. So it was even difficult to pay the necessary expenditure also, right? So we should have something for our emergency kind of situation. Then second is that it is not that you would be working throughout your life. There would be a time, means after 60 years, 70 years, when you won't be able to earn. So that is called your retirement age, right? So you must save something for your retirement also. Like it has been said that at least 10% of your take home pay, you should save every month for your retirement. फिर सेविंग फॉर अ बिग परचेज, कुछ बड़ा चीज आपको खरीदना है, जैसे घर खरीदना है, कार खरीदनी है, तो उसके लिए भी हम सेविंग कर सकते हैं. देन paying off your personal debts. Maybe that you have already taken a loan and you want to get rid of this. Right? Suppose your father has taken a loan and it is for 20 years. So 10 years he has paid. Now 10 years you have to pay. So this is your responsibility. This is your liability now to pay off that debt, that loan. Correct? That you understand? That means loan. So now the question is that, okay, you have saved, but where will you put it? Will you keep it in your cupboard? Will you keep it in your almirah? Will you keep it underneath the?
No, sir, we will invest.
We keep it in a fund.
Then it will
Fund
not
bank.
give you anything, my dear. You will
So we will buy shares.
you have several options to invest your money. So investing is the act of allocating resources, usually money, with the expectation of generating an income or profit on it, right? So it is, you are not just saving it for the purpose of saving, है ना? कहीं हमने एक अलमीरा में रख, जैसे पुराने जमाने की कहानियों में सुना होगा, जमीन के नीचे से एक सोने का घड़ा निकला, उसमें असरफियां थी, ऐसा सुना है ना कहानी में? तो ये पुराने जमाने में होता था, उन लोगों के पास में ऐसे इन्वेस्टमेंट के टूल्स नहीं थे, इन्वेस्टमेंट्स के रिसोर्सेस नहीं थे, तो दे यूज टू हाइड इट फ्रॉम देयर, राइट? इसीलिए वो कभी कभी अभी निकल जाता है, बट अभी हमारे पास में बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं. यू हैव टू बी इंटेलिजेंट एनफ एंड यू शुड नो दैट वेयर इफ यू इन्वेस्ट एंड हाउ मच यू विल गेट, राइट? So there you need to be very intelligent in this aspect. Investment is a big business. ना बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो केवल कंसल्टेंसी करके आपको बता करके पैसे कमा रहे हैं कि आपको कहाँ पैसा इन्वेस्ट करना है. हाँ, यहाँ एक चीज और हम बताएंगे आपको कि आप नहीं, बहुत लोगों ने नाम सुन रखा होगा, म्यूचुअल फंड सही है.
Yes, sir.
It's a marketing risk, sir. If we want to take it, we have to take it in our own risk because
आप देखो,
it
अगर
has.
लॉन्ग टर्म में इन्वेस्ट करना है, लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए, तो बाइंग लैंड, बाइंग बिल्डिंग इज वेरी गुड. या गोल्ड के प्राइस भी देखो आप बढ़ते ही जा रहे हैं, हाँ? तो गोल्ड में इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं, कुछ बड़ी कंपनीज के शेयर खरीद के रख सकते हैं लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए. फिर म्यूचुअल फंड में आप एक सिस्टमैटिक तरीके से, जिसको हम SIP बोलते हैं, सिस्टमैटिक इन्वेस्टमेंट प्लान कर सकते हैं. आई वुड एडवाइज
Have to play carefully and smart.
if you are listening me properly, then I would advise each one of you, today only you must do one thing. First you promise that you will follow me, then only I will tell you.
Yes, sir.
We promise you. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please tell
Making a point that every month at least 500 rupees, 200 rupees, 100 rupees you will save for yourself.
Sir, I have saved my. Sir, I already have my savings.
more than 10,000.
You are also saving.
जो भी आपको पॉकेट मनी मिलता है बैंक से पैसा. अभी रक्षाबंधन गया है ना, तुम्हारे भाई लोगों ने किसको दिया होगा पैसा, तो जो पैसे
I already have my savings. I used to save. Don't worry.
थोड़ा खर्च करे बट थोड़ा सेव भी करे. सब खर्च नहीं करो. कुछ पैसे तो हम कहीं भी एक जगह अपना बैंक में अकाउंट खुलवा सकते हैं, इसमें रख सकते हैं, या पापा को आप बोलो, पापा आप मेरे नाम से एक म्यूचुअल फंड ले लीजिए, SIP ले लीजिए, हर महीने 500 रुपीज उसमें डालते रहिए, राइट? सो दिस इज अमेजिंग थिंग एंड यू विल बी सरप्राइज. आपका ये 500 रुपया आप, यू कैन नॉट इमेजिन कि आज की डेट, आज का ये डेट नोट करके रख लो, आफ्टर 20 years when you will be a grown up man or woman, then you will realize, oh my God, सर ने उस दिन जो बोला था, आज वो 500 रुपया जमा किया हुआ 20 साल बाद, maybe it will be crore, not in lakhs.
Sir, which company share is the most price?
Provided you start today. Yes, please.
Sir, which company's share is the most price?
Sorry, this is difficult to tell you in just one single of thing. It keeps on changing. It keep on changing. You have to, take the advice of someone who is intelligent enough and having the experience in it. Right?
Sir, my uncle told me it is MRF.
You take the advice of your parents, I would suggest.
Sir, my uncle told me that it is MRF.
The fourth one is borrow. Saving and investment we have done. Now borrow is what? Many a time, whatever, suppose you have a very good financial planning, but sometime it happens that you need to take the loan. And taking loan is not bad, please remember it. But if you are taking it too much, then it is bad. Excess of everything is bad. But taking little bit or seeing your capacity, if you are taking the loan, then it is okay. Right? For example, you want to buy a car today. तो आप जब कार का पूरा पैसा जमा हो जाएगा, हम सेविंग करेंगे, जब हमारे पास जिस दिन 20 लाख हो जाएगा उस दिन खरीदेंगे. No, this may not be a good idea. But you buy it today and you take a loan and you pay it in installment. है ना, हर महीने आप 20,000 पे कर दो, 10,000 पे कर दो या 5,000 पे करके भी आप कार खरीद सकते हैं. तो इस तरह का अगर प्रॉपर प्लानिंग में borrowing money है, then it is good.
Sir, EMI.
Yes, with the EMI you can buy such type of things. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And then please, you should be very, very cautious when you are spending something using the credit card. Plastic money is very beneficial, but it is very dangerous also. And then I have shown you here what is the meaning of loan.
So you are saying, sir, which money is dangerous?
Don't worry, you will get everything. The last
Credit card.
concept which I wanted to discuss with you is protecting. Protecting means saving yourself, right? So how can you save yourself from preventing the fraud? आजकल देखो बैंक में से बहुत बार बार ये मैसेज आते हैं ना कि you should be protected, you should not
सर RBI कहता है जानकार बनिए सतर्क.
हाँ, राइट. तो जानकार बनिए, ये बहुत जरूरी है. You should have the knowledge ना. कोई भी मैसेज आया immediately you reply it. No, it is not required. Any link has been shared and you just click it. Something has been written like you will get 5 lakh rupees. You just click the link. You send me and OTP will be sent to you. You send it and you will get 5 lakh. No, never ever you should.
Those
Sir,
are
these all are scams. So these all are hacks.
These all are a scam and these are fraud.
Sir, one day I received a WhatsApp message like this.
Yes,
only.
sir. Sir, they for that they hack our bank accounts. They
Correct.
Sir, I blocked that
To know
number.
that which type of bank account you are having, what is the statement of bank account, right? This is all these things you should know, and then you must take the insurance also for your life and as well as for your properties. आपका कार, आपका बाइक, ये सब इंश्योर्ड होना चाहिए, so that if it meets with some accident, there is some compensation there for you. So insurance is very important. Health insurance especially. है ना, आजकल जिस तरह से लोग बीमार पड़ते हैं, एक बार हॉस्पिटल जाओ लाखों रुपए खर्च हो जाते हैं. बट अगर आपका हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस है, पूरे फैमिली का हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस होता है, तो आपका है तो आप हॉस्पिटल जाएंगे, सारा पैसा आपका वही इंश्योरेंस कंपनी पे करेगी फिर. Then few more basic financial concepts I want to share with you. One is assets. Assets is what? Something valuable that you own, like car, house, cash. You know, all these are what? Assets. Then liabilities. Liabilities what you owe to somebody. है ना, जो आपको चुकाना है, जो आपको पे करना है. जैसे बैंक से आपने लोन लिया, तो लोन is a liabilities. Then what is capital? Capital is that amount with which you start your business, or the funds or the money which is an essential prerequisite to run any business or a company, right? So company can acquire the capital in two ways. One is equity and debt. This you will discuss when you will study further commerce in detail. Then it is very important to understand the difference of the needs and wants, right? Can you tell me what is the difference between the need and wants? जैसे
Yes,
आपको भूख लगी है, you are hungry, so you need some food.
Sir, that is necessary, and wants that we want from our choice.
But if you say that no, I need the pizza only, I need the burger only, right?
So like
It's
we-
not wants.
Like we have a phone and sir,
This
we
is the
want
difference of
one.
the needs and wants. You require, clothes, you require shoes. But if you say no, I will purchase the Adidas shoes only, then it is your wants. Got it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this much is enough for today. Tomorrow I would be discussing with you the barter system. Means next day.
Okay, sir.
So what is the timing?
Whenever we
Sir,
have.
marks of this subject will be added in the report card.
Yes.
So how many marks it has?
I will let you know everything at the end of the class. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Vatsal, I
sir.
appreciate you are keeping your videos on. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So,